Yeah, hello all, welcome back.
Okay.
So,
Mm,
in the previous session, we have gone through the access sequence, right? So,
mm,
now let me go through the remaining part of the access sequence.
mm.
Okay, see
Okay.
what we have discussed about the access sequence. It is a search strategy, right?
Mm,
It is a search strategy which will search and determine the valid condition records into the sales document.
mm,
So what exactly it means is, for example, see,
mm,
now as we have discussed in the previous class, we used to maintain three types of records.
mm,
What are them? For example, 500 is one table and 501 is another table and
mm,
502 is the another table.
mm.
So for the 500 table, customer plus material, for which combination we are maintaining the price of, how much we are maintaining the price?
120.
120
120.
rupees, right?
Mm,
And for price list and material, we are maintaining
150.
the price of 150 rupees.
Mm,
And only for the material, we are maintaining the price of
180.
180 rupees.
Mm,
So what the access sequence will do is, it will search the valid condition records and which will determine the valid one into the sales document.
okay.
So here let me tell you what exactly the valid one in case of
Mm,
the tables which we assigned in the access sequence.
mm,
So now let me go through the transaction V slash 07,
mm,
and here I will take the access sequence which was assigned to our condition type PR00.
mm.
Let me check it first in the transaction V slash 06. So let me open V slash
Mm,
06.
mm,
So I think I have opened, yeah, I think I have opened it here. Me
mm,
see here, what is our condition type? PR00, right?
mm.
So for which, what is the access sequence assigned? PR02.
02. Mm,
So
mm,
now let me go through our access sequence
mm,
PR02. I think I have opened it somewhere else. Yeah, here I have opened it.
mm,
PR02. So if we go inside the access sequence PR02 here,
mm,
we have to click on accesses. See how many accesses got assigned here, means how many tables assigned? 4,
4.
right? 305,
Mm,
306 and 306, 304. The 306 was assigned here twice because here they have given one requirement also, but we will cover
mm.
about the requirements in the later sessions. But for now, let us consider these three: 305, 306 and 304.
Okay.
Okay, now what
Mm,
I would like to do is, I would like to maintain the price as we have discussed.
mm,
For the first combination, we are going to maintain the price of 120, and for the second
mm,
combination we are going to maintain the price of 150, and for
mm,
last one we are going to maintain 180 rupees.
mm,
So where can we maintain these prices? In the transaction BK11, right?
mm,
So now let me take BK11. So here let me take, what is that? PR00. This is our condition type.
mm,
So here if we go through the key combinations, here we can maintain the prices, right?
mm,
So what is the first key combination here? Customer and material.
mm,
So now let me give our sales organization, distribution channel, and who is our customer? 4 sixes and 7.
oh,
And here our material is vaccine 150. For which what is the price we are going to maintain? 120 rupees, right?
mm,
So now let me save it.
mm,
Okay, now the condition record got saved.
okay,
And let me go through the second key combination here. Price list and material.
mm,
Let us take the price list as 01. 01 means
mm,
wholesaler.
mm,
Okay,
okay,
then the document currency is INR, and
mm,
here the material is vaccine 150. So what is the
mm,
price here? 150 rupees.
mm,
Now let me go through the third key combination here. It's nothing but only with the material. For the
mm,
vaccine 150, we are going to give the price as 180 rupees.
mm,
So now let me maintain that.
mm,
So here, let me make these three prices has to be applicable to the customer.
mm,
So the first combination will be applicable to the customer as which has given to the customer and material. And the
mm,
second one is given based on price list and material, right?
mm,
So let me make the changes to the customer as he is eligible to that price list.
mm,
So this is what is our customer number. So if we go inside the sales area data, where we can able to find price list. See what is the price list here? 01.
01,
So if it is
mm,
not the 01, you have to make it as 01 because here we have
mm,
created the condition the record with the price list of 01 and the material vaccine 150.
mm,
So now let me save it. Now let me create one sales order.
mm,
Let me give the order type
mm,
and let me give our material here,
mm,
customer as well as our material here. See, this is what is our material, right?
mm,
And what will be the price here? Because we have given three key combinations. Then
yeah,
what will be the price here? Here it is 180 rupees. Okay.
mm,
The 180
mm,
rupees is there in green mark, which is active one, and the previous two are deactivated.
oh,
So let me tell you why it was happened.
mm,
Let me go through the
mm,
transaction V/07. It's nothing but our access sequence.
mm,
Here our access sequence is PR02. So let me
mm,
go in through, sorry, let me go through accesses. See, here
mm,
for which, for the first one, for this one, the price is
mm,
120. And for
mm,
the second one, the price is 150. And for the last one,
okay,
the price is 180 rupees.
30, mm,
So what the system will do is,
mm,
as we have discussed about the access sequence, as it is a
mm,
search strategy which
mm,
will search the valid condition records,
mm,
okay, as per the given tables in the access sequence,
okay,
and it deactivates the previous one and which activates the next one. So
mm,
here 305 is there,
mm,
306 is there, and 304 is there.
mm,
So first the system will check 305. If it finds a valid
mm,
condition record, then it will go to the next table here, 306. And if it finds any valid condition records in the 306 table, then it will take this one and it will deactivate the previous one. And the system will again go to the next search to the 304.
Okay.
Here it will, if it finds any valid condition record, then it activates this and it deactivates the previous one. So here in this case, what was happened? It was deactivated these two, and which got activated, which was activated the last one, material with the release status. That's what, for which we have maintained the price of 180 rupees, right? That's what is coming here in the sales order.
Okay.
See, this is what. So which was deactivated the previous two condition. Okay.
Okay.
So I think you are clear till here.
Yeah, clear.
So now let me tell you one more thing in the access sequence, which is nothing but exclusive checkbox. See this one. So now let me tell you what exactly the exclusive checkbox is there. Yeah, if we check exclusive checkbox to any of the condition tables which were maintained in the access sequence, then system will search for the valid condition records, and if some means if any table is checked with exclusive, then system will stop, means it will stop searching for the upcoming records, means upcoming tables. Okay, it will stop the search strategy, and which will determine the condition record into the sales document. So what it means here is, if system finds any valid condition record, and if exclusive checkbox is checked there, then system will come out of the search strategy, and which will determine that condition into the sales document. So now let me do one thing. So let me check exclusive to the last one here, and now let me save it. Okay. So now let me see what will happen. So if we create the condition, so if we create the sales order, what will be the price will get a trigger?
180 rupees.
180 rupees only is getting trigger here. See, 180 rupees is only getting trigger. And if we give the exclusive to the second one here, then what will happen?
150 rupees will be.
Yes, because the system will come out of the search strategy there.
Here why?
See, now the price is 150 rupees only, right? So here what was happened? The system was stopped searching for the upcoming records. So it came out of the search strategy here. Okay? And if you give the exclusive to the first one, then what will happen?
System will give preference to first one. 120
Yes,
rupees.
the system will give the preference to the first one here. So now let me create one more sales order. So what will be the price now? It is 120 rupees, right? So now I think you are clear.
Okay.
Okay. Now let me tell you one more thing. See, if the exclusive checkbox is there in the first table, okay, and if the records are not maintained for the first table, for example, already we have maintained a record of 120 rupees, right? So if the records were not maintained, the 120 rupees, it was not maintained, but for the next table 180, 150 and 180 got maintained, for example. These two maintained and this one was not maintained. But even if the exclusive checkbox is there, okay, now what will happen? Now let me create that. But before that, let me make the changes in the condition records. Here, let me go through our key combinations. See, I would like to delete the first one here, right?
Okay.
Oh, I think it was blocked somewhere. Yeah, this one. So now, yeah, this one. So let me remove this. And if we save, we cannot able to see that record again here. Okay. Now what will happen if you create the sales order?
It doesn't
See,
contain
I
profit
will show
and
you. Because even if you have given the exclusive checkbox, the valid condition is not there, right? So it will give the preference to the
second one.
second one. Then it will give the preference to the last one, because here exclusive checkbox is not there for the second one as well as to the third one. So the system will not come out of the search strategy as the exclusive checkbox is not there for the second one as well as the third one, right?
Okay.
So if we go back to the access sequence, and if we go to the access here, see the exclusive checkbox was checked only for the first table, and it was not checked for the second and third and fourth one. So what will happen if the exclusive checkbox is not checked? Then the system will search for the valid
prefers last
condition
one.
records. And even if it finds the valid condition records here, it will go to the next one. Then it will go to the next one, and which determines the last one and deactivates the previous ones. Okay. So I think you are clear.
Clear.
And in case of, what is that? This is the case of price. So in case of price, it will do like this. But in case of discounts, the system will determine all the discounts.
Okay.
Okay. But in case of price, it will go through the last one and it deactivates the previous ones, right? But in case of discounts, it will activate everyone. Means it will activate all the condition records. Okay, if you want, I can show it now.
Okay.
Let me take B007 for example. Okay, this is what is for discounts. I would like to show how the discounts will be. So now let me go to the new entries here. And what is the table? 4 for the material, and here it is 5 customer and material, price list and material. Okay, so I think it's better if we give 5 here, then 6 here, then 4 here. See, the first one is customer and material, the second one is price list and material, and the third one here is material. Okay, now let me save it. And see, our access sequence is B007, right? So now what I will do is I will create a new condition type. I will let you know how can we create the condition type. Okay. For now, just to show you, I am creating a new one here.
Okay.
So what is the condition type we have created? B007, right? So now let me give the condition records for B007. The first combination is customer and material, right? So here for this material and for the customer this one, and for this material what is the discount we would like to give? 12 rupees. Okay, and let me go through the next key combination here, in which we would like to give the discount of 15 rupees. Okay, and for the last key combination we would like to give a discount of 18 rupees. So for this material the 18 rupees is going to be as a discount to the customer. Okay, so now what is our pricing procedure? This one I think. So here we have to give our new condition type also. Let me remove this one. Let me give, what is that? B007.
B007.
Okay. So now let me create the sales order. Let me give our material here. See, if we go in, means if we go through this material, here we can find how many, what is this? Discounts are applicable here. 3 discounts, right? 12, 15 and 18. So here all of them are getting determined. But in case of price, it will deactivate the previous one and which activates the last one if the exclusive checkbox is not there. In case of discounts, if the exclusive checkbox is not there, then it activates all the valid condition records.
Okay.
So are you clear?
Clear.
And now let me do one more thing. What I would like to do now is I would like to put exclusive checkbox to the discounts here. So now let me give exclusive to the second one here. Now let me create one more sales order. And here our material is Vaccine 150. See now what's happening? If we put exclusive, then system will stop searching the next one because the system will come out of the search strategy there. So here the system finds two valid condition records for the discounts for the B007. One is 12 rupees discount and the second one is 15 rupees discount. And here exclusive was checked to the second one only. Okay, so if system did not find any valid condition records in the first key combination, then what will happen? The system will determine only the second one. Okay, so if you want, I can create it now, but I think you are clear with it.
But why
Hello?
system has gave preference to first one also discount 12 rupees.
Yeah, in case of discounts, the system
Hmm.
will give the preference to all the
Hmm.
condition records and which determines all the condition records into the sales document.
Then why it left 18 rupees discount?
Yes, because see, we have given the exclusive checkbox, right?
Hmm.
So what is the purpose of exclusive checkbox in the access sequence? So if we give exclusive, then the system will come out of the search strategy and which will not determine the other condition records. See, here we can find two discounts,
Hmm.
right? As we have given the exclusive to the second one.
Yeah.
And if we give exclusive to the first one, then
Hmm.
system will not come to the second one. As if it finds the valid condition records there in the first one itself only, then
Hmm.
will it comes to the second one? No,
No.
right?
Hmm. Yeah.
See, let me go through v/07,
Hmm.
and I think I have opened it somewhere.
Hmm.
See, here we have opened, right? See, now what
Hmm.
will happen is while
Hmm.
we are creating means here if the business requirement is if they
Hmm.
don't want to give all the discounts to the customer,
Hmm.
then what they will do, they will ask us to make these
Hmm.
changes, then we will give the exclusive to all the condition tables maintained in the access sequence.
Hmm.
Then what will happen,
Hmm.
the system will give the first preference to the customer and material combination, and if it finds a valid condition record here, then that discount only will get appear there in the sales document.
Hmm.
And if system did not find any valid condition record in the
Hmm.
first key combination, then it will go to the second one and this discount will be determined there into the sales document.
Okay.
Okay, now let me create one sales order because we have given the check mark to the all the tables which was assigned in the access sequence, right?
Hmm.
So now if we create the sales order,
Hmm.
which discount will get determined there? Only the first discount will get determined. See,
Yeah.
12 rupees
Okay.
only is getting determined.
Yeah.
Okay, if this condition
Okay.
is not there,
Hmm.
so now let me remove the 12 rupees discounts from the VK12.
Hmm.
So let me check it again if it got removed or not. See, it was removed, right? So now even
Hmm.
if we have given the exclusive to the first one here,
Hmm.
okay, this one, the valid condition record is not there
Hmm.
because the 12 rupees discount that entry was removed.
Yeah.
So the system will go to the next one here and determine the discount
Second.
15 rupees from this table or from
Yeah.
this record.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So now let me create one sales order. Now what will be the discount here?
15 rupees.
Yeah, let me show it to you.
Hmm.
15 rupees discount.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So I think you are clear. And if you have
Yeah.
any
Clear.
queries, you can ask me now.
Yeah. Okay. No. No doubt.
Okay, then thank you.